Hello and welcome to QuizMars. Get ready for an epic Guess the Animal quiz. Some questions will have red numbers to really test your brain, so do subscribe before we begin. Guess quickly, time is running. Did you get it right? Here the next one. Let's go to the next one. Hurry up. This one is tricky. This will test your knowledge. Guess this big cat. Name this parrot. You only have 3 seconds. Think fast. Did you get it right? Hurry up, time is running. Let's move to the next one. Oh, that was tricky. Oh, it seems like pigeon, but it is dove. Guess fast. That was an easy one. Did you get it right? Oh, that's an easy one. Did you get it? Only clever people can guess it. This is with red number, so it is tough. Those who got this have a sharp knowledge. Nice job if you guessed it. Think fast. Is there 3 seconds? Is this a tough one? I don't think so. But surely this red number one is tough. Nice if you got this. Oh, it was beer. Let's move to the next. It's horse. The red one is always harder. Nice job if you guessed it. Now this is another tricky one. Seems harder, but it is an easy one. Hurry up, you only have 3 seconds to guess. Now, what this animal is called? Guess fast, time is running. Oh, it was rooster. Now think this one. Is it goose? Yes. This seems like goat, is it? No, it is llama. This is probably an easy one. It is polar bear. Seems like cat, is it? No, it is not a cat. Now name this animal. It's emu. Oh, it's the tallest animal. You guess it right. So what's this animal called? Nice job if you guessed it. What's this? You have only 3 seconds. Here comes the last one. Oh, it's lovebird. Great job. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to QuizMars.